Today I have chosen cheesewood trees. Cheesewood is a name which is applied to Elstonia scholaris also, which is Saptaparani found planted in Jammu region. Blackboard tree or Indian scholar tree. But cheesewood which I am referring in this talk is aromatic bushes and small trees, mostly of Australian origin, also in some in the Asian continent. They are pittosporums. Pitto means pitch, sporum means seed. The seed with some kind of sticky covering. So they have been named as pittosporum botanically. One of the critically endangered pittosporum that is found in Madeira Islands, administered by Portugal in the Atlantic Ocean. Some of the endemic and threatened pittosporums are found in New Zealand. One is Pittosporum eugeniidis, which looks like jamun. We have Pittosporum undulatum also, found again in Australian continent. But if we talk about Indian pittosporums, then one of the pittosporum which is found in our Jammu region, mostly at the sacred shrines Mangala Mata in Nowshera, Bala Sundari in Bilawar. Within the premises, this particular pittosporum, which is called as Pittosporum napellans, earlier also named as this particular Pittosporum napellans is also sometimes called as floribundum, and this is golden fragrance, English name, and local language we call it as Gandh Chamela. Some people call it as Gadsilu, Tumari. Different names are there. This particular bush has the aromatic leaves and golden yellow flower borne in apical corymbs bunches, and leaves are used by locals for treatment of some of the skin troubles. It's another species which is restricted to Uttarakhand and Himachal Pradesh and which is threatened is Pittosporum eriocarpum. This is a hairy pittosporum and its population is restricted to few habitats. This plant was recently planted in University of Botanical Garden, University of Jammu, also in the Forest Information Center Jammu, so that it can be further conserved through propagation. Pittosporum eriocarpum is known as Dehradun or Doon cheesewood because this is restricted to Dehradun hills. The plant is also known as Thumri in local language, and in Hindi it is known as Agni. Agni means fire. If we look at its seed, they are heart shaped and scarlet red in color, as if the heart is bleeding. Eriocarpum need further propagation, conservation. This is the high priority species. But if we look towards South India, in our Indian context, then we have another species which is called as Pittosporum nilgirensis, and another one which is again endemic to the Western Ghats is Dasycolaon, also found in Karnataka, Kerala and Tamil Nadu, and there it is called as Anilvanga. Anil is also the local name, Anilvanga. Another species which is found in Sri Lanka is Pittosporum selanicum. We have the Japanese cheesewood bush, which is usually seen in plants, parks and gardens of Jammu. Tobira, this is Pictosporum tobira, with white flowers, fragrant flowers, aromatic leaves, and this is mostly seen in the gardens. Various species of Pictosporums, there are about 200 species. Some of these species are also epiphytic. For example, Pictosporum kirki is one. Critically endangered Pictosporum is coriaceum, Pictosporum coriaceum, which is found in Australian continent. That is critically endangered because of the habitat loss. These plants find mention in the folk traditions for the healing benefits, and some of these Pictosporums are used as incense, for example by the Maoris. And these Pictosporums with unique sticky seeds and fragrant flowers have found the horticultural value, and they are usually promoted by the gardeners. The fruits have sometimes the red seeds. Even in Tobira we find red seeds. Even in Pictosporum eriocarpum red seeds, they are eaten by the birds. So there are some species, for example Pictosporum bifidum, which is also called as the bird's nest bush, because the birds love to nest in the bush also, and they also find its food in the Pictosporum. So for the attraction of birds, we need to promote the plantation of Pictosporum species, especially the Pictosporum nepalens or floribundum, which we find even in Nandani forests, and eriocarpum, which is endangered, threatened, and stands introduced in the Botanical Garden, University of Jammu, as well as Forest Information Center. Botanical Survey of India, Dehradun, is doing good research on the Pictosporum eriocarpum, and it is hoped this species will be conserved for posterity.